Hello and welcome to Our Year with the Ears, our daily vlog where we relive our year living in the Walt Disney World resorts in 2019. Today is day 305.
We woke up this morning here at Wilderness Lodge, got ready for the day, and then headed up to club level to enjoy some breakfast. We then went back to our room and got all packed up because it is moving day once again. Once everything was packed up, we called Bell Services and asked them to transfer our luggage over to the Contemporary, and then we went back up to the club level lounge to enjoy some lunch.
I grabbed a quick snack and then headed down to the dock to get a boat over to the Contemporary. That is where we're checking in today. Went to the front desk, checked in, and our room was not ready yet, which is fine. I kind of didn't expect it would be. Took the boat back over to Wilderness Lodge and went up to the club level lounge with Alyssa and worked the rest of the afternoon. Eventually, I did get that text message that our room was ready. So before dinner, we hopped on the boat again, went back over to Contemporary and did a room tour of our amazing theme park view room. And this is what everyone's been waiting to see. It is our theme park view. We have a 6th floor room, so it's not really high, kind of looking down on Magic Kingdom. And we do have a balcony, as you can see. We've got a decent amount of space out here. We've got a table and a couple chairs, but our view of Magic Kingdom is not bad at all. Of course, you do have a parking lot and a bus stop in between here and there, so you're gonna have kind of a parking lot view as well, but you still have a really good view of the castle and Space Mountain. And when it comes time for fireworks, we will have a great angle on those. So I am very excited about watching them from the room here because it's really cool to be able to see Magic Kingdom from your room. And you can see that room tour linked down in the description below and up there in the corner. And they have just remodeled these rooms in 2021. So if you'd like to see the remodeled rooms, I'll also leave links for those down in the description as well.
Once we were done with the room tour, we called Bell Services to get our luggage. We changed and then took the boat back over to Wilderness Lodge because we want to enjoy as much of this club level food as we can. Today is our last day to do so. So we had dinner, waited until it was time for desserts, had some desserts. They did have that amazing peach strawberry cobbler. We really like that there's a cobbler every night, but we also like that it changes every night. So there is one constant, but it's also different every night. When we were done with dessert, we then went back to the boat dock, this time heading to Magic Kingdom for the final Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. This makes number 36 total, but number 35 with that Halloween pass that we have, which is crazy to think about. We paid $300 a piece to be able to go to 35 different Halloween parties, and we have really been enjoying it. So tonight is our final night. We made it over to Magic Kingdom, and we didn't have anything specific we wanted to do. We just wanted to be here and enjoy it for the final one before they switch over to Christmas tomorrow.
All right, guys, we are heading in for the final Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Woo! And when it is over, we are going to show you just what it looks like on the way out of the Magic Kingdom with all the Halloween stuff going on. And then tomorrow morning, we're gonna take you along and show you what Christmas looks like in the roughly 6 or less hour time change they have to switch everything over. So this is gonna be really fun. Let's go.
We're very excited to see the transformation in such a short time here in Magic Kingdom from Halloween to Christmas. But for now, we're gonna enjoy the final Halloween activities. When we got into the park, we did take some pictures with PhotoPass. Again, the final time we can. So we got a few pictures, including one where we're showing how excited we are that we made it to every single Halloween party. And then we got to watch the final ride of the Headless Horseman, which was really cool to see and a little sad. After that, we headed towards Tomorrowland and decided to go into Monsters Laugh Floor one more time to get that double candy. We really like being in here because you get 2 different candy stops and you get all the fun with the monsters on the screen.
Trick or treat!
Woo! Yeah, that's true.
There is
Cheese
cheese,
on a
but
stick.
yes, but it's yes,
What's fine?
it's better than
Finals.
Jeeves on a stick.
Yeah.
We don't want you on the stick.
No. What was your name again?
Maria.
Maria, that's right. Maria, who have you brought with you tonight?
The Monsters is great because they have 2 candy stops. So we're gonna trick or treat again. Here we go. Trick or treat!
Guys, enjoy.
The excitement, final night!
30 minutes to Christmas!
When we left Monsters Inc. laugh floor, we went and got some Go-Go Squeeze by the Carousel of Progress, of course. Then we kept going over to Cosmic Rays and got some candy at the trick-or-treat stops there. We did stay and watch the Descend Dance party for just a few minutes before we headed back out. We do enjoy that party, even though we're not the ones out there dancing. It's probably why we enjoy it, because we're not dancing. But anyway, videoed that for just a few seconds and headed around to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. The line actually wasn't that bad. Apparently everyone was in line for characters or candy. So we got in line for that, waited about 20 minutes and rode Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which is always fun. And then we headed back up to the hub to watch the final Hocus Pocus show of the year. This is what's closing out the Halloween party tonight. We figured it was a good way to end it. So we went up there and just enjoyed the entire show.
You can't stop the things I do. I love. Oh, it's been 300 years, right down to the day. Now the witch is back, and there's heck to pay. I put a spell on you, and now.
When the show was over, everyone was leaving the park, but there really weren't that many people left. Everyone does kind of leave after the fireworks for the most part still. So we started working our way out of the park and stopped at a few PhotoPass stops to get some different pictures. It is our last chance for Halloween and Halloween party pictures, so we got several of those. After we finished up with PhotoPass there, we headed out to the front of the park and then turned around and walked up Main Street again, but this time we videoed it. We're trying to put together that video showing the transformation of Halloween to Christmas overnight, so we need a video walking down Main Street pointing out all the decorations and stuff. So we did that video, finished it up, the park was emptying out, we turned around, headed back to the front, and then walked over to Contemporary to our amazing theme park view room, and that was the end of our day today, so we'll see you tomorrow
For our Year with the Ears.